नमस्ते एंड हेलो, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मैं भाग्यश्री ट्रैवल विद बग्स के इस पहले एपिसोड में आपका बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ। आई एम गोइंग टू टेक यू टू वन न्यू लोकेशन इन यूरोप एवरी मंडे। एंड सिंस फिलहाल सीजन्स का सीजन चल रहा है, तो मैं भी ले आई हूँ ट्रैवल विद बग्स का सीजन 1, अ 5 एपिसोड सीरीज, एंड आई एम होपिंग दैट यू विल लाइक इट। तो आज चलते हैं हमारे पहले लोकेशन पे, which is एत्रेटा। वहां जाने से पहले जानते हैं कि ये एत्रेटा आखिर है कहाँ। एत्रेटा is located in the Normandy region of France and it's almost 4 hours by bus from Paris. Etretat comes under top 10 must-visit places in France. And trust me, this is like the perfect place for romantic walks for couples or even for a quiet walk minus a partner. अब लॉकडाउन में इतना वक्त एक दूसरे के साथ बिताने के बाद शायद ज्यादातर लोग सेकंड ऑप्शन ही प्रेफर करें। Etretat is sandwiched in between the high cliffs and it is best known for these chalk cliffs. 2 of these 3 famous arcs are visible from the town, the Port de Val and the Port de Mort. The Man Port, which is the third and the biggest one, cannot be seen from the town. We have visited this place twice, once in summer, which is the season for tourists, and once in winter when it was too windy and raining on and off. The beach here is unique and it has pebbles instead of sand, but इस पे चलना is obviously not so easy. You can see that it is crowded in summers and not many can be seen here in the winters, so you can decide कि आपको कौन से season में visit करना है। The top of these cliffs can be visited as well. A hiking path with steps has been established alongside the cliffs, bringing you to the top after a brisk hike. And the hike is also not so difficult. Your reward or motivation for this hiking effort is a breathtaking view of the town and the other cliffs. So, पहले चलते हैं पोर्ट दे मॉर की तरफ। We walked towards the Port de Mort and before climbing up, we found this tunnel that led us to the other side of this cliff. And we were glad that we went there because just look at the view. But remember to check the tide timings because पानी अगर बढ़ गया तो आपका वापस घर आना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन ही हो जाएगा। Then we went up on this cliff. And here is the view from Port de Mort during summers. We did not go here in winters. Now let's go to Port de Val. This is the view from Port de Val. There is also a golf club on this cliff with some of the 18 golf holes located next to the cliff. Imagine how many golf balls must have disappeared in the sea. In 1942, the German forces decided to make a wall called the Atlantic Wall to make any Allied landings impossible. 1,500 mines were buried on the beach and 19 concrete bunkers were built in between these cliffs. This is how the bunker looks today. It has a blockhouse designed for a 5 cm cannon and an observation post linked by a tunnel and a nest of machine guns. Let's now explore the town of Etretat. The town of Etretat is quite small and old, but it was a pleasure walking across the town. In summers, it was too crowded, but in winters, it was so empty that we felt just like in the movie Jab We Met, strolling Etretat की सुनसान गलियों में. In winters, we had gone to see their Christmas celebrations in December 2019 and were expecting to see some grand celebrations. But being a small town and weather not being so favorable, we did not find any such special celebration happening in the town except for a rally of Santa Claus and a few kid-friendly characters joining in. This, in the picture, is an old pub dating back to 1851 which serves nice food. And on the main square, which is opposite to this pub, is a marketplace. The building resembles a church, but it's a market. And inside, there are a few shops selling souvenirs. But it wasn't always a market. Etretat, as I said before, was involved in both World War I and World War II, and this central market was used as a British and then an American hospital during World War I, and during World War II it became a part of the Pall Mall camp, a R&R area for American troops. This is the house we stayed in during our winter visit. It also had a pretty little garden, but unfortunately it was not that well maintained. Maybe because there are not many who come to Etretat during off-season. Loved the house. It was a 3-story house with a basement, which I was not too fond of because I'm scared of basements, and it's all because of these Hollywood movies. Basement सुन के ही भूत वाली feeling आती है, and then the whole night I was hearing noises in that पुरानी हवेली. Obviously, actual में कोई था नहीं because बाकी सब घोड़े बेच के सो रहे थे. With these bhoot talks, we have reached the end of the journey for the day. चलो तो फिर मिलते हैं अगले हफ्ते एक नए लोकेशन पे. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.